Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Samstha's e-learning platform, Standard 7, Subject English. Today we are going to learn a new poem from unit number 3, poem number 4, The Brook. Let's learn the lines of the poem with their explanation. I come from haunt and coot and hern, I make a sudden sally and sparkle out among the firm, the break down a valley. By 30 hills I hurry down, or slips between the ridges, by 20 tops, a little town, and half a hundred bridges, till last by Philip's farm I flow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Let's see the explanation. A small stream narrates its story to us. It says that it comes from places where birds such as the coots and herons are often found. Then it comes a sudden quick journey to shine brightly among ferns or to run noisily down a valley. It hurries down 30 hills or slips between ridges next to 20 small villages, a little town, and more than 50 bridges. At least it flows by Philip's farm to join the already full river. The brook says that men may come and men may go, but it flows on forever. Let's see the lines. I chatter over stony ways in little sharps and trebles. I pebble into eddying bays. I pebble on the pebbles. With many a curve my bank I freight by many a field and fallow, and may a ferry for land set with the willow, weed, and mallow. I chatter as I flow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Explanation. It makes a chattering musical noise as it travels over stony paths. It travels in bubbles, in fast moving circles of water near bays or it noisily travels over pebbles. It travels with many curves, grumbling by the side of many fields or uncultivated patches of land. It passes by many fairy for lands that have willow, weeds, or mallow. It chatters as it passes it to join the already full river. The brook says that men may come and men may go, but it flows on forever. Let's see the lines. I win about and in and out, with here a blossom sailing, and here and there a lusty trot, and here and there a grangling, and here and there a foamy flake upon me, as I travel with many a silvery water brick up above the golden gravel, and draw them all along and flow to join the grimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Let's see the explanation. It winds in and out while a few blossoms sells on it. Here and there you will find a lusty trout or grayling in the waters of the brook. Here and there you will find a foamy flake upon the brook as it travels, or many a silvery water break above the golden gravel. It brought them all along as it flows to join the already full river. The brook says that men may come and men may go, but it flows on forever. I sleep, I slide, I gloom, I glaze among my scheming swallows. I make the naked sunbeam dance against my sandy swallows. I murmur under moon and stars in grambly wilderness. I linger by my singly bars. I totter round my creases, and out again I curve and flow to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Let's see the explanation. The brook slips and slides and moves in dark places or looks about here and there as swallows skim on its surface. It makes patterns that look like nets as the sunbeams dance against the swallow sand below it. It whispers softly under the moon and stars and the wilderness thick with brambles. It moves slowly by the bars full of shingles or round its creases. Then again it curves and flows to join the already full river. The brook says that men and may come and men may go, but it flows on forever. Hot, let's see the glossary. Hot, a place often visited. Coot, a kind of bird. Sally, a quick journey. Brimming means full. Sharp and trebles means musical sound. Fern means a green plant with long stem, feathery liver and no flower. Thorp means its own English word to use for village. Grimming, full. Aiding, moving fast in circles, afraid to make a noise if complaining, lusty, healthy, flake a small thin pieces of something, bloom, to moving dark place, linger, to take a long time to leave or disappear, loiter, to move slowly around. Thank you for staying with us.